here, so when we get into the tracks, you can kind of see all down those tracks, all the dirt and stuff. We'll get all that cleaned up. Take a look back here. Also, is this shed right here. Have this shed. We're going to be cleaning this as well. Let's go on that side of that and see what that looks like. Come on to this side right here. So, this side you can see like it's really, really dirty. So it's going to clean up really, really nice. Our client here found this on next door. And you kind of see again, it just needs a really good clean. There are some areas where you can kind of see there's like intrusion right there. You kind of see where they're pointing it out with the siding sticking out as well. But yeah, overall, it's gonna go, you know. And you can see right here is also intrusion or crack in the hole right there and there. It's little minor things, but we want to pay attention to detail. So then we have this side that we're coming around as well. You can kind of see we'll go along pretty much again. This one right here is good. The sun is hitting on this side, so it's about 10, 20. You also see where we kind of feel some of these areas right here. So we're doing soft walking with pressure. Different dirt and stuff like that, pollens and stuff that sticks to the substrate. Again, you can see again the splintering. And so these are things that you want to do and point out when you're doing property protection and just for yourself, so that way you get everything. And then you come to the front right here, and you can see as well. We're going to be cleaning this cover as well, this patio cover. And it's pretty dirty. And again, dust, pollen, just mildew, just from sitting over time, living in the Sacramento region. We have a very diverse climate, hot, cold, all season around. We get the 4 different seasons there. And then we're looking in the front right here. Again, we got some more. We'll take the screens off, have the windows that do right there. Another one right here, another one right here. Always being careful of walking in the plant beds, getting to know how to walk around, to know where your sprinklers are, so you don't step on anything. All right, so that's it. So we're gonna get underway.